Day-to-Day English channel. Today we are going to take more examples of direct indirect speech for practice. This is actually the second part of direct indirect speech. I have already done one video, that is part 1, on direct and indirect speech, in which I have explained rules in detail with examples. I have also explained what direct speech and what indirect speech means and what is the basic requirement we should do to convert direct speech into indirect speech. If you want to know basics of it, please watch the first part of this video. So let's get started. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. The first sentence is, he said, I am unwell. It is direct speech. The first sentence is the direct and the second one is indirect speech. Let's see the second one. He said that he was unwell. He said, my master is writing a letter. He said that his master was writing a letter. She said, I have passed the examination. She said that she had passed the examination. He said, the horse died in the night. He said that the horse had died in the night. I know her address, said Gopi. Gopi said he knows or he knew her address. The teacher said the sun rises at the east. It is the universal truth. That's why indirect speech is like this. The teacher said the sun rises at the east. He said English is easy to learn. It is also universal truth, and that's why indirect speech is like this. He said that English is or was easy to learn. They said me they don't believe you. They said they didn't believe me. She said to me, what are you doing? She asked me what I was doing. Where do you live? Asked the stranger. The stranger inquired where I lived. Ram said to Shyam, go away. Ram ordered Shyam to go away. Keep quiet, said the mother to the child. The mother asked the child to keep quiet. He said, I bought a book. He said that he had bought a book. They said, we were celebrating festival yesterday. They said that they had been celebrating festival the previous day. She said, I had been waiting since morning. She said that she had been waiting since morning. She said, I am a little bit nervous. She said that she was a little bit nervous. He said, I live in the apartment. He said that he lived in the apartment. She said, I am going out. She said that she was going out. They said, we have finished. They said that they had finished. He said, I arrived before you. He said that he had arrived before you. She said, I had already left. She said that she had already left. He said, I can swim. He said that he could swim. He said, I must go. He said that he had to go. Please don't be late. He asked dare not to be late. He asked me, what is your name? She asked me what my name was. She said, I might come early. She said she might come early. Radha said, I am very busy now. Radha said that she was very busy then. I am reading a book, he explained. He explained that he was reading a book. She told me I have been to Gujarat. She told me that she had been to Gujarat. He said, I am coming. He said that he was coming. They told me we were living in Pune. They told me that they had been living in Pune. She said, I will be using the car next Monday. She said that she would be using the car next Monday. Dear friends, I hope all these examples will help you to understand direct and indirect speech very well. Until the next video, keep learning and keep watching. But don't forget to subscribe this channel. Click bell icon for more videos and share it to your friends. Thank you.